Sorry, I'm sorry.
Fuck you, man.
You just spit on
me.
I'm sorry. That's a mistake.
He needs some milk.
This is Phase Ed Music.
Yeah, guys, it's your boy VM Junior dropping my first YouTube banger. I promise you that as you are watching this video, you won't regret it. So you just have to stay tuned. As you can see from my name, YouTube name, my name is VM Junior. Some of you might know me from TikTok because I do some bunch of TikTok videos. But this time I decided to do a twist. I'm dropping some bangers. So you just have to stay tuned. You can drop a like, comment, and sub to the YouTube video.
What?
And sub to the YouTube video.
YouTube video. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. Yeah, let's get into it.
Please like, share, and subscribe my video, guys.
Guys, I went to this Adama shop and I told you before that I'm gonna be doing pranks at the mall, and I didn't tell you Kure, the prank will be about what. So I bought this spray. So you know what I'm gonna be what? Yes, English.
This is not me. I'm fighting for my life.
I'll pretend like as if I'm sneezing on someone, but I won't be actually sneezing. I won't be sneezing. I'll be pressing this spray, and then water will come out. So my, you understand what I'm? Wow.
You get it?
Okay.
If you don't get it, forget about it.
And then after that, we'll see how they react. We'll catch their reaction. Don't worry about anything. You will see everything. Just stay tuned. You'll watch everything. I promise you, this video is going to be a bang. Yeah, let me splash.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Did I spit on you?
You did, Dogoman. What the fuck?
Sorry, my man. It's a mistake.
Really bad. Dogoman, you fucking spitted on me and shit.
Sorry, my man. I was just passing. Sad life.
No stress, man. Don't ever do that
I'm telling you,
again.
my man. We're doing a YouTube video.
Shut your stupid ass up.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Sorry, my man. Did I spit on you? Yeah. Oh, it was a mistake, my man. I didn't see it. Are you not angry? My man. You are fine. Sorry, did I spit on you, my man? You are fine. You're not angry with me.
Cap.
Sorry, my man. Did I spit on you? It's a mistake, my man. Sorry, like I was just passing by. Sorry.
Let me pass you.
Sorry, my. Sorry.
Let me pass you.
Sorry, my.
Shut up, bitch!
Sorry, did I spit on you?
Yeah, you did. How?
Yo, it's a mistake. I didn't do it. I didn't touch that. I was just.
Shut your stupid ass up.
I didn't touch that. I was just passing.
Girl, he's so fine.
She want me. She want me. She want me.
I'm sorry.
Fuck you, man.
You guys spit on
me.
I'm sorry. It was a mistake.
He needs some milk. Oh, God.
2 hours later.
Yo, my man, did I spit on you? I saw the spray.
I am the one, the way you turn down.
We're doing a YouTube video, so I thought maybe you never saw it. I wanted to take your reaction.
So then you actually
You're fine with it, man. Sharp, sharp, man.
my nigga.
Sorry, my man.
This corona, my brother.
Did I spit on you?
Yeah?
Did I spit on you?
Fine, that's fine.
It's fine.
Yeah.
Oh, no problem.
You have corona, my brother. Kill me.
Oh, sorry.
Where are you from?
I'm from town, Vanderbilt town.
Yeah.
Town.
Yeah, okay. Original from where?
Limpopo.
Limpopo. I'm from Egypt.
Oh, I can see Korea.
Egyptian, my brother.
Okay, you are not angry, Musa.
Eh?
You are not angry. I thought maybe you're gonna beat me.
If the corona come to me, I come 23.
Don't play with me.
Sorry, Maji. Did I spit on you?
What?
No, God, please, no, no, no.
We're doing a YouTube video.
I want to talk too much, man.
Yeah, you're fine with it.
I'm good, man.
All right, sharp, sharp. Sharp.
My nigga.
I'm sorry. Did I spit on you?
Boy, if you don't get. Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Yeah, there's a camera there. It's a YouTube video.
Oh, it's a YouTube video.
Yeah, so yeah. Yeah, sharp.
Shut up.
So you in the video.
No, my brother. No, bro.
There's a camera.
No problem, my brother.
Are you fine with the video? There's a camera. No. I'm sorry. Man. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, sure. Thanks. Hello, my man. Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, I told you that I was hungry. And when I'm hungry, I usually fry condoms. They taste like pizza. So I was eating them. Yeah. So I'll make sure that today I'll go to the clinic and take some Max condoms and I'll fry them again and test them.
Boy, if you don't get.
Again and test them. They taste nice, yo. Yeah. All right, sharp. Yeah, cool. Sorry, I'm doing a YouTube prank, man. So there's a video.
I'm like looking at it, but I've seen it before. And I'm like, I thought that.
Yeah, it's just a YouTube video. Are you fine with it if we introduce?
Yes, it's fine. As long as you tag me.
All right, no problem.
Okay, bye.